A little bit of the flooding scene, the high water on the Muskoka River at Bracebridge Falls, just below Bracebridge Falls. As you can see, a lot of the park along the edge of the river is underwater. If these people want to go sit at those picnic tables, they're swimming. Over on the far side, the water is high enough that it's up into the parking lot over there, so you can't even get down into the parking lot beside the river. I've never seen it this high. Just looking down the river. Pretty crazy. The high waters have crested though, so things should be starting to get back to normal before too long. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here so you can see how much water is coming over that falls. There is a ton of water and it is making quite a racket, thundering noise. Parking lot over there, again, underwater. Signing off.